This is Get Prepared with Augason Farms. Here's your host, Augason Farms President, Nathan Yearsley.
I'm Nathan Yearsley, President of Emergency Preparedness Food Provider, Augason Farms. And together with the Family Channel and Heartland, we want to help you and your family get prepared. In this episode, I'll be talking with you about something that's near and dear to my heart, food preparedness. Founded in 1972 in Salt Lake City, Augason Farms is a pioneering leader in the preparedness food industry, sourcing, formulating, and producing the most nutritious emergency foods on the market. And being adequately stocked with food is high on the preparedness list. A stocked pantry means fewer worries. Start with shelf-stable basics such as beans, pasta, rice, oats, peanut butter, things you already eat. And then build your food supply by adding long-term food, including freeze-dried meals, dehydrated fruits, veggies, and powdered eggs. Then there's on-the-go options. Lightweight snacks such as protein bars, trail mix, and meal pouches and easy-to-travel go bags. And don't forget about dietary restrictions or morale-boosting foods like chocolate or coffee. Being prepared also involves having the knowledge and support you need to respond quickly and responsibly during emergency events. Check out our Augason Farms website at augasonfarms.com. Our team of pros are ready to assist your family by creating personalized emergency food programs that are perfect for your unique situation. Come on, let's get prepared.
For more information or to have Augason Farms meals, fruits, vegetables, egg, dairy, and dessert products delivered to your home, visit AugasonFarms.com.